Welcome to the final lesson on creativity within the Entrecomp framework. In this lesson, we'll explore how to apply creative approaches in real entrepreneurial contexts and develop your ability to implement creativity across different business scenarios. Creativity isn't limited to traditionally creative industries like art, design, or advertising. It's a critical driver of innovation across all business domains. Let's examine how creativity manifests in different areas. The first area we will discuss is product and service innovation. In this area, creative thinking leads to new offerings that solve problems in novel ways. Consider how Dyson reimagined the vacuum cleaner by questioning the fundamental assumption that vacuum cleaners need bags. The second area is business model innovation. Creativity can transform how businesses create and deliver value in this area. Subscription models, freemium approaches, and platform economies all represent creative rethinking of traditional business models. The third area is process innovation. In this area, creative approaches to operations and workflow can dramatically improve efficiency. Toyota's development of just-in-time manufacturing was a creative solution to resource constraints. The fourth area is marketing and customer experience. Creativity helps businesses in this area connect with customers in meaningful ways. Consider how Airbnb transformed the travel experience by emphasizing authentic local connections rather than standardized accommodations. The fifth area is organizational innovation. Creative approaches to company structure and culture can unlock potential. Spotify's squad model reorganized traditional hierarchies to promote autonomy and creativity. Creativity takes different forms depending on the business sector. Let's explore some examples. The first sector is healthcare. Zipline, for example, uses drones to deliver critical medical supplies to remote areas in Rwanda, creatively solving the last-mile problem in medical logistics where traditional infrastructure is lacking. The second sector is financial services. Microfinance institutions, like Grayman Bank, creatively adapted lending practices for populations without credit history or collateral, enabling entrepreneurship in underserved communities. The third sector is education. For example, Khan Academy creatively flipped the traditional education model, providing free online learning resources and allowing teachers to focus on personalized instruction and mentoring. The fourth sector is agriculture. Vertical farming companies, like AeroFarms, creatively reimagined agriculture for urban environments, growing crops in stacked layers using LED lighting and nutrient mist instead of soil. The last sector we will discuss is sustainability. TerraCycle, for example, creatively developed collection and recycling systems for previously non-recyclable waste, turning branded packaging waste into new products. Now, let's look at how to systematically apply creative techniques to specific business challenges. In this first case study, a family restaurant is struggling with declining customer numbers. First, we have to define the challenge creatively. Instead of asking, how can we get more customers? The question becomes, how might we create dining experiences that people can't resist sharing with others? Next, we have to apply idea generation techniques. You can use Scamper and ask yourself the following questions. What if we replace traditional servers with family members who share stories? What if we merge dining with interactive entertainment? How could we adapt our space to create more Instagram-worthy moments? What if we change our layout to encourage social interaction between tables? Could our kitchen become a cooking class venue during slow periods? What if we removed menus and offered a surprise experience? And what if customers helped prepare part of their meal? Thirdly, you will have to evaluate ideas using creative criteria. You need to assess ideas not just on feasibility and profitability, but also on memorability, emotional impact, and differentiation. Thank you for watching this video about creativity in practice. Before moving on, please complete the following 5 questions to test your understanding.